the remaining positions of objects where the image formations. So in the previous video, just it is made little bit disturbance, so that I'll make it continue for the remaining cases also, where the object positions are changes, how the image formation can be takes place and its nature, so that we can be discussed further. So already I drawn on the board, just you can be observed. So this fourth case already I explained in a last video, where we have little bit disturbance because of that having mobile gets fall down, so that there is a little bit disturbance. I'll just make it continue with that fourth case onwards. So the fourth case we discussed, and it is there, the object is there between the 2f and f. So here we have the object, right? So for this object, where the image will form, the image will form so after 2f, you can be see in the ray diagram, right? And this nature of this image is, it is a real image and inverted image. It is enlarged. Enlarged means the size of this image is greater than the size of the object, so it is called as the enlarged. So the image is real image, inverted image, it is an enlarged image, and it is forms after this 2f or beyond the 2f it will be formed. Where it will form, I am not saying, after the 2f it will form, right? So that is what it is called as the fourth case, whenever the object is kept between f and 2f or 2f and f, for that object the image will form like this, right? It is for which lens? It is for convex lens. We are discussing all these cases. Now we go for the fifth case. The fifth case here we have at focus. That means we are keeping that object at focus of the lens. That is, here you can be see. This is the focus f. So at that focus we are placing an object. An object we are kept here. And for this object, where you can get the image. The image can be formed at infinity. So these lines are parallel to each other. After interaction of these rays, they'll move, after refraction, they'll move parallel to each other, so that the image will form at infinity. The image is formed at infinity. So what is the nature of this image? It is a real image. Inverted image you can be observed, and it is a magnified. So magnified, enlarged means little bit more of the size of the image with respect to object. But here magnified means still more the size of the image you can be observed compared to the object. So object size whatever we have, more than that you can be see in this image formation at infinity. Infinity means we cannot be go for the up to long distances. Infinity means if the eye is kept in this parallel rays, here or here or here at anywhere, you can able to see the image which is enlarged one, magnified one, you can be observed. It is a real image, inverted image, and it will form at infinity, and also it is magnified image for fifth case whenever we are keeping the object at focus, correct? And if you go for the sixth case, where we have here, it is a keeping that object between the focus and its optic center. For a given convex lens, the object is keeping between a focus and its optic center. That is, here in the ray diagram you can see, here the focus, here the optic center. So between these two objects we kept here. So for this object the image is forms here itself. Where it will form, it is after f, definitely it will form. After f it will form, or maybe between f and 2f, or after 2f, that is not a matter. We just observe the image will be forms at the same side of the object when the object is kept between the focus and its optic center. When the object is kept between focus and its optic center, here the object is there. For this object, the image is forms here. It is same side of the object itself. The image is forms for this position of the object. And this image is a virtual image. It is not a real image. It is a virtual image, and it is erect. Erect means, you see here, this arrow mark is upward is there. Here also arrow mark is upward. But in the previous case, arrow mark is upward here. Here you can be seen arrow mark is downward, means inverted image. See here, upward, here it is a downward. So that is inverted image. But whereas here, the image will be forms as it is, the direction of the arrow mark is upward. Here also arrow mark is upward. That means as it is, you can be see which is called as erect. So here, it is a virtual image. It is an erect one. And it is a magnified. Magnified means very, very large. The image is very large compared to the object. Object is here very small, but image is very, very large. It is a magnified image. And where it will form? It will form same side of the object only it will form. So here these are the 6 different positions of the object we observed for a convex lens, for which how the image formations can be get. Isn't it? So that image or the nature of the image we can be observed. So these 6 positions, whenever in the calculations we are having the position of the object is there, any one of these cases you have to remember what is the nature of the image and whether it is magnified or inverted or maybe where it will form. So if you are having these 6 cases in your mind, easily you can be get the calculations and also we can be apply the lens formula or lens makers formula, and calculations are very simple for this position of the object or maybe position of the image formation or maybe nature of the image, whatever maybe is asking in the numericals, easily you can be determined provided these 6 cases for this convex lens you have to remember. And in this, the only one case where that image is virtual you can be get when the position of the object is there between focus and optic center of the lens. So between this focus and optic center of the lens, if the object is there, there you can get the image is a virtual image. So except this 6th case, remaining all cases, wherever you are keeping that object, there you can be get the real images can be get. And also it is always inverted image you can be get. Except this case, real image, inverted image can be obtained for convex lens. Because of that, real image you can be get here. So real images are observed to be get for this convex lens, so that we can be preferred to use the convex lenses more in the application part in all optical instruments majorly. The majority applications of the lenses are only convex lenses because of it is providing real images, except one condition of the 6th one, isn't it? So that is what you can be observed. Similarly, you can be having the image formation due to the concave lenses also. So concave lens can be provides always the virtual image except one or two, right? So because of the virtual image we cannot be use much applications with the help of which one? It is concave lens, right? So regarding the concave lens and how that equation lens maker formula or lens formula can be modified for convex lens and concave lens, okay, that modification of that lens maker formula for both the lenses and their differences we can be see in the next video, right? So with this I can conclude, and just to make it to be, I'll send the 2 videos. This one, second one is very little, but first one is nearly it is some 20 minutes, it may be 10 minutes. So right, so both the videos you see and conclude the result of this position of image or position of the object, how you can get the image formations, okay, and draw these ray diagrams properly and make this a table. You take a white page and on that you put these columns, serial number, position of the object, ray diagram, and nature of the image, and first 3 cases already is given in your first video, and in this video the remaining 4 cases, 3 cases are there. So these are ray diagrams you have to draw properly and make notes and send to me, okay. With this I can conclude. We'll see in the next video, right?